Hello and welcome back to our continuing adventures on the LetsDefend platform. Today we are jumping back in underneath the incident responder package to tackle something that is rather timely, at least for December 2021. We are going to take a whack at the SOC161 Log4j RCE Exploit, also known as Log4Shell. EventID is 111 and dates December 11th, 2021, 10:41 a.m. I'll make sure I got that knocked off. Okay. Yes, that's all copied down. Okay, so Minecraft server. Hooray. 192.168.10.69. Suspicious command.exe /c, calc.exe, parent okay, so it's Log4Shell, and it's a Minecraft server. So I guess I really shouldn't be surprised that they got popped, because I think it's... I don't know, I think I was looking before at what the cutoff point was. Like it goes all the way back to like Minecraft 1.2. I don't know, this stuff at least was. I think you had to be at like some much more recent version than just 1.12.2 or have it resolved. The server was created to play Minecraft with the SOC team. Checked the Sysmon logs, found calc.exe log, but didn't understand how it created. So this is going to be... So it's a vulnerable version of Minecraft. I'm sure it's about the only thing that's there. But let us get a couple of extra sections opened up. And let's see what we get. Okay, so we're not gonna get any stats on the... Yep, okay. So all the same IP address, all at roughly the same time, and all in sequence. So if I'm going to take a guess, this 18.217.235.130 hit the Minecraft server, gave it one of those, oh, what is it? JN. Oh, that's gonna drive me nuts. The sad thing is, it's like this has been a major thing to be running through and doing, and I am coming up short in regards to what the command looks like. Which is sad because I've been staring at that since this crap's been going on. You'd think I could remember what the syntax was. Oh, well. But, okay, yeah, here we go. JNDI. And then the protocol, and basically where the stuff goes back. And I'd say we definitely get that on these two aspects. So exploit class 2, exploit class. At least that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna take a guess then, and I don't know if we'll actually be asked this, but I don't know, can you just LDAP? And I swear I'm just rolling with this by the seat of my pants. I don't know that we're gonna find that, but I'm just guessing that what we're going to see. I just realized I got my notes pulled open. I'm typing this stuff, and I doubt it's really gonna show up for you guys if I don't go through and actually tell it to show itself. There we go. Except it's a ginormous window, but that's fine. Set it to roughly about the center. We transition, that should become visible. So I figure what we're going to see if it's not in Sysmon's log section in Event Viewer. I got to imagine the Minecraft, server itself has logs. We could probably see about trying to take a look at. I don't know as to whether or not if they actually tie in, or if there's actually a set of Sysmon configs for a Minecraft server specifically. But no, I expect that's going to be the order of progression then. I think the exploit was what? Be done just in the normal like global chat function, but we'll see. If it's like anything else, it's probably be how it's gonna play out, so I'll keep that handy. Okay, and back we go. Alright, so that's as our source address. Let's kill that. And we've got interesting activity to 25565. I'm gonna take a guess that's gonna be a Minecraft port. Only because the fact that the only thing they call out that's on the system is Minecraft. Allowing Minecraft traffic through port 25565. Okay, so we've got an explanation for, well, we got a guess on one and an explanation to the other things. This would be everybody else that was joining in. Okay. 192.168.10.69. Browser history. No browser log. Command history. Okay, so Minecraft server gets stood up. What is it, 4 minutes later, roughly? We get the command, or the calculator to fire, and then an echo of Log4j exploit test success. Well, it definitely gets kicked off, or cooked off. Process list. We got command. So denoting the echo Log4j exploit test. Java. Paper, I think, is the Minecraft executable. Yeah, it would be kind of the giveaway to me that why would the parent process for calculator be Java? Oh no, there's definitely something wrong there. Definitely wrong. I grab that. That's process history, right? Yeah. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna update my notes as I'm going through this. Okay, got the notes in. Make sure to save that just in case. Okay, I think we've got a working theory here. So let's go see about actually testing some hypotheses. Hypetami. Hmm. Alright, so I am gonna pause this for a second, and once this is all spun up and running, I'll jump back in. Okay, we're back. Taking Firefox to full screen mode. Open up Event Viewer, drilled down to the Sysmon log. So we gotta find the 11th. That's about as far back as it goes. So let's see. Now we look. Well, I actually think that fits the timetable because I think that was from the process list. Oh, command history. Yeah. Although seconds are off. Well, not by much. Okay. So we're getting there. Looks like somebody joining, somebody joining. So we're looking for that 18. Somebody else joining or leaving? 198? No, still not our 84. RDP? Yeah, 3389. We are going in the right direction. Yeah, times continue to move up. RDP it again. Okay, so 40? Yeah, it's about the time that we see that stuff kick off. This is probably, yeah, spinning that stuff off. Calling calc. Okay. Well, that's simple enough. Oh, just the installer and a config export. Not really going to help us much. Well, what if that's actually meant to be there? Let's take a look. Logs. Latest 12.11. That's kind of the area we're looking for here. Yeah. That was basically firing up the server. Confirmation again on the port. So we get a couple different users. We get what? User MC? Test user? Bingo. That's what it was. And it looks like that user. Yeah, that's exactly it. I tried it exploit 2, then just exploit. It looks like they dropped out. And I do believe this was, oh yeah, it's gonna translate from one to the other. I believe there was that captured, right? 151.135.112.161. No, it definitely is it. Um, let's just do virus total. $4 doesn't look like it's on anybody's bad side. turkey? I guess the other aspect could be too to go through and Turk Telecom, huh? Port email rep, but unknown web rep. Yeah, I suppose that makes sense. Come on. There's something extremely humorous to that. Does not seem to be so much of a problem anywhere. So at least there's no readily available OSINT on the on the IP address. Okay, well, so I guess the big question is now, we do have the order of progression. That seems to be all in order. I mean, really, is there any other questions? I don't think that there really will be in regards to that. What if we can just isolate on just one piece of info? I'd have to have some sort of a... can I change the task category? Apparently not. What time did this supposedly connect? 10:37? Right there. Two 5565, okay. What, 85 was user MC. Yeah, well, that's the end of that. don't suppose this thing even exists. I mean, for real? Hey, there we go. Yep, not a problem anywhere. Okay, well, I think I don't know. Let's run through the playbook and see what shakes out. Done that. Done that. True positive. Start the flow. Root cause. Running a old vulnerable version of the Minecraft server on apparently a system that is DMZ'd off or just has got port forwarding, something like that, in order for all this stuff to be able to just have immediate access. Probably internet-wide access. But yeah, that would be the realistic um, root cause. Hey, here we go, MITRE framework. And as per normal, I always have to bring this up. I'm pretty sure it's the public-facing application, though. Web servers related services. Summarize the risk threat. Okay, 5 questions. So what? Like 1 and 2 is low, 3, 4 is medium, 5 is high. Oh my god, the world is ending. Method of attack, systems used. The Log4j vulnerability. Systems used. It would be the Minecraft server itself, the IP starting with 18, because that was what was used as part of the exploit, and then the for test user 23 at the 151 address. Internal, external of the organization, well, in this case external. Were credentials compromised? No. Sensitive data at risk, it's a Minecraft server. Although if it's fully compromised, then effectively I guess you got a foothold and you're right next to the SOC. Brand reputation impact. Could be. I mean, if it's labeled as, you know, the LetsDefend organization's official Minecraft server, yeah. I don't know if that's what they're looking for. Oh, the connection was so short. Calc at 1040? Hmm. Oh, yeah. There's the firing up the command to kick off. Create the server log. Oh, we're still on the 11th. Another new network connection. We just didn't have logs for that part of it, I guess. And we're into the 18th. So it doesn't look like, device man. Did I do disk management? Maybe errant click of the mouse. There we go. All right, how about Microsoft logs? That was 1035, roughly. Should denote starting up of the Minecraft server. Looks like they booted the system up. Okay. Doesn't look like it actually was recorded. Issues with the Amazon SSM. Looks like, yeah, everything's shutting down. And the next thing we get's on the 18th, of course. Oh, jump back quick. Not that much on the line of application logs during the timeline we've got. Okay, I'm gonna take a stab at it. Didn't see a process, didn't see anything really added. There really wasn't privilege escalation. Access. Yes, the other MITRE question. It was not brute force. Input capture is in like what? Keystroke logger? API hook. Wouldn't it be network sniffing? Because all they had to do. It's not really brute force, it's not input capture, it's not network sniffing. It's not going to be OS credential dumping. So I guess specifically, how do they determine unsecured creds? Stored, misplaced. Yeah, wasn't anything like that in order for them to get. Except I thought I said that, none. Does the device? I guess it would be entirely dependent as to corporate policy. Honestly. Just gonna go ahead and terminate that. Since I don't really want to keep running up the bill when we're pretty much at the end. Should it? Well, you know what? It was technically compromised. It did run its own little thing for testing. Actually, mailbox. Is there anything in the mailbox dated around December? Oh, looks like the last one was October. So you know what? Oh, so maybe if it was a false positive, we would sit there and say that it doesn't. But we know for a fact that yes, the box was compromised. It did run outside code. No Minecraft for you. Well, we'd grab a copy of the event logs, Minecraft log, especially make sure to include the Sysmon log. Recovery, we'd pretty much nuke and pave. Rebuild, get the latest server version of Minecraft, get that dumped down there. And then if we're going to sit there and play, make it so that, you know, have to VPN in. Don't make it publicly available. Now we gotta add the good old-fashioned artifacts. So we have test user 23. Technically, I think it was Akamai or something else like that. So, and then here's the question. I mean, technically, same thing. We get rid of that. Well, that's definitely not it. There we go. Oops. Okay, log4j, log4j, log4j. We didn't get a hash of anything that would be pretty much worth a damn. I mean, I guess I could always sit there and grab. Sysmon probably grabbed the jar file for the Minecraft server, but I don't think we really need to be that worried about it. Okay. Log4j plus app was out of date. done. Moves on to the next point. Close alert. True positive. Date. Craft server. Software. calc.exe. There. So let's see if I failed miserably at that. Don't usually do too good on those minor questions. Well, sweet baby Jesus. Miracles do happen. Managed to get that sucker knocked. Alright, go ahead and open that up in a new tab. So I was on the ball with everything then. Alright then. And of course then the official write-up. Yeah, formatted. They call it the same exact portion, exploit to exploit, with the latest log file. Okay, that's good. So far we're in this. Calc. Yeah, Minecraft server command. Calc. Yeah, we found all that aspect while digging through everything. Oh, I do love the fact that it's nice graphics. Command screen says, like, okay, yeah, exploitation success, which we did see that in the event logs. Yeah, okay. Hey, that works for me. Okay, so there we go. That is LetsDefend's Log4j or Log4Shell remote code execution exploit. Dated December 11th, 2021, 10:41 a.m. It is SOC161, EventID 111. With all that, hopefully you enjoyed. And regardless, I will see everyone in the next video.